updated video of what happened from last year till now. Quite a few things have changed, for the Subi at least. So let's dive right into it. Whole new long block. The whole block is from IAG and it's rated for 585. It's the Stage 2. TGV Deletes, Grimmspeed, big top mount intercooler. Tial 38mm external wastegate with the Grimmspeed Up-pipe to attach that to it as well, and I'm running 11-pound springs. Honestly, this car has been amazing. I'm tuned through Delicious Tuning down in California, and honestly, it is amazing. I love it, and I also have a Pops and Bangs tune as well. This car has been running phenomenal, and the people who built this block for me is Metric Motors. They did all the overhauling and the machine work and everything else with the car itself, and honestly, it's been a champ. She's very stout. I've off-roaded this car for about 3 days straight for about 30-minute sessions, and this thing has seen the rev limiter banging against it. It's seen sitting at 6K, and it has taken every single part of it. The only downfall is about last year I was flat foot shifting when I shouldn't have, and I actually ended up snapping a axle. It was actually my right rear axle is what I snapped. But we actually ended up getting a new exhaust from last year, and the videos that you can see in my YouTube channel, if you go back a couple of videos, we actually now have the Tomei Catback instead of the NVIDIA N1 Catback. And we're actually going to do some videos right now and get into it and just show you what's the difference between the two. If you watch the other video, you'll see that there's definitely a different tone between the two, with Tomei unequal length headers, Tomei Catless Downpipe, and now the full Tomei Catback. So yeah, I actually want to give you guys just a I guess in-cabin sound of what the car sounds like with the new setup that we got going on. Honestly, sounds pretty mean, and I'm shook that it's actually this loud. Get sick of that. is what the car sounds like now. I'm very happy with the turnout of the exhaust between everything, and in all honesty, this car is a lot of fun, and I'm happy that I have it back again. But yeah, that's the exhaust, that fluttery fart noise, if you will. Some people call it that. That's that 38mm external wastegate, and that thing freaking screams. Probably one of the best parts about this car. And then second would be the Tomei unequal length headers. Worth every penny if you guys are considering or on the, I guess, fence of trying to see if you want to get it. And then yeah, like I said, I'm tuned through delicious tuning, and this car is ran amazing. It has had 0 issues, and their customer support is phenomenal. I had like 17 revisions on the vehicle. I think somewhere around there, like 15 to 17 revisions on just the tuning part itself, on the e-tune with the data logging. And honestly, I wouldn't trust anyone else. I'm very picky to who it comes with the tuners, and just like who gets to work on the car itself. So those are some, I guess, trusted people and places to go to. Or questions or anything like that, just leave them down below and I'll try to get to them, and at least maybe keep up with the rally life and or any other updates with the car itself if anything else happens. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, I post a lot more there than I do on YouTube. I'll put that in the link and description below. But yeah, well, you guys have a good rest of your day.